Welcome everyone to another Tech Simplicity computer tip. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between solid-state drives and traditional mechanical hard drives. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be facing off an Intel SSD 80GB solid-state drive versus a traditional Samsung 100GB mechanical hard drive. To test the read speed of the two hard drives, I'm going to be using the program HDTune Pro 5.5. To give a basic breakdown of the program's interface, for our purposes, during the video, pay attention to the transfer rates, minimum and maximum display boxes, as these will show the read speeds of each drive. So without further delay, let's go ahead and test the speed of each drive. To begin, I will be starting with the Intel solid-state drive. As you can see right off the bat, the solid-state drive starts off with a strong 84 minimum and a maximum of 154 megabytes per second. These read speeds in comparison to mechanical hard drives are very fast, as we will soon find out. As a side note, a common misconception among computer users falls into the belief that the hard drive inside of a computer does not greatly affect the computer's performance. Instead, it is most commonly believed that the processor and the amount of RAM are the only two factors that truly determine the speed of a PC. These beliefs could not be more untrue. While RAM and the processor are important, the speed of a PC relies greatly on how well a hard drive performs. With that, here are the final results for the solid-state drive. 81.8 minimum and 162.6 maximum megabytes per second. Now that we have tested the solid-state drive, let's go ahead and test the mechanical hard drive made by Samsung. The Samsung drive that I'm using in these tests was salvaged from a laptop that was manufactured in 2007. The hard drive stands as a traditional 5400 RPM hard drive and is very common among computers manufactured by large companies such as HP, Dell, Gateway, and so on. In other words, if you purchased a pre-built computer from a store such as Best Buy, Amazon, Newegg, or from any other venue, unless otherwise noted in the specifications, you are likely to have a 5400 RPM mechanical hard drive in your PC, as their cost is relatively cheap and their availability is vast. As you can see by looking at the minimum and maximum read speeds in the display boxes, the numbers indicated there are devastatingly slow. Topping out at a maximum of 33.1 and a minimum of 29.8 megabytes per second, this equates to painfully slow read times, which results in slow computer startups, slow load times for your favorite programs, slow saving speeds, and extremely slow shutdown times. With that, if you are thinking about upgrading to a solid-state drive, I highly recommend. Doing so will give you much faster computer startup and shutdown times, lightning-quick program load times, and an overall feel of boosted computer performance. With that, I hope that everyone enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe for future computer tips, and to also share this video if you learned something. Also, please remember to check us out on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks. See you next time.